Hey friends, welcome or welcome back to the Cook's Cottage. In today's video, we are giving my front yard a very much needed facelift. But before we do, I thought it'd be fun to take you guys back to 2022 and show you what this space looked like when we first moved in. There were all these beautiful butterfly bushes in the front of the house, and at the time it was just a little bit too much upkeep for my husband and I to juggle. So we decided to take those out, and for the last 2 to 3 years, it has been sitting basically full of dirt and weeds, if I'm being honest. That's exactly what it's been. And we were tired of looking at it. The curb appeal of the home was looking rough, and so we decided to jump in and finally tackle this project. So let's get to it.
Slipping through my fingers, can't recall all the days as the ocean falls and rises. So does life have to change? Don't buy plastic flowers when I die. Go somewhere, spend it well, live your life. And if you mourn me, don't mourn for too damn long. Don't buy plastic flowers when I'm gone. All the world, she's getting older, and she can't recall her age. As the flowers die in winter, I guess she has to spend that way. Don't buy plastic flowers when I die. Go somewhere, spend it well, and live your life. And if you mourn me, don't mourn for too damn long. Don't buy plastic flowers when I'm gone. When I meet you by the graveside, I hope you brought the real kind. Don't buy plastic flowers when I die. Go somewhere, spend it well, and live your life. And if you mourn me, don't mourn for too damn long. Don't buy plastic
to make sure this wall was fully secure, we did go in with concrete as well as rebar, and we left some holes at the bottom of the cinder blocks to make sure that if any water were to come off the roof, that there is a place for it to drain out from. Then going in with red guard, just for a little extra reassurance, only on the inside of the wall. We ended up using 3 of these large bags of gravel total to complete this project. One of the easiest ways to make your home feel just a little bit more inviting is by adding landscape lighting. I've been using the SOROP landscape lighting kit, and I love that it comes with everything that you need to get started, including the lights, the transformer, wires, and the connectors, so you don't have to go and buy everything separately. The warm lighting gives off the prettiest cozy glow, and each light is adjustable, so you can highlight the trees, landscaping, or even just the exterior of your home exactly where you want it. It's also weatherproof, so once it's installed, it is built to handle the elements. My favorite feature is the automatic dusk to dawn setting so that they can turn on in the evenings without me even having to think about it. If you've been wanting to elevate your curb appeal like me, I've got the link for you. I'll go ahead and link it down below in the description box. After hiding the wires in the rock, I just think that this space looks so clean and so much more elevated. And as beautiful as they are during the day, look at how gorgeous these are in the evening. That glow could not be more cozy. A big thank you to SOROP for sponsoring today's video. As you guys can see, we still have a part 2 coming for this video because we need to add a cap over this wall. We need to add our stack stone on the front of the house on the bottom, as well as the front of the retaining wall. And then I'm going to add in some raised garden beds and all of the fun decor that is to come. So if you guys are interested in seeing part 2, give this video a thumbs up. It lets me know I need to get to part 2 a lot quicker than I think. And then go ahead and drop me a comment down below letting me know what your guys' favorite part of this makeover was. Other than that, if you haven't already, we would love to have you here long-term at the Cook's Cottage, so please consider subscribing. But that's going to do it for this one, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.